I've made thousands of dollars selling digital products, Notion templates, affiliate offers, faceless content systems, all without running a single ad. In this video, I'm going to show you how I market my digital products 100% for free, just using Instagram and short form content, and how you can start doing the same thing from your phone, even if you have no followers, no experience, and no budget. Before marketing even starts, here's what you need: a simple product, PDF, mini course, template, or an affiliate link. Pick something real: productivity, money, fitness, AI, student life, and a link in a bio. Use WAP, Gumroad, StanStore, or even a free Google Doc. Then we're gonna build an IG page around it. Whether it's faceless or showing yourself, I've done both. This is the game changer. Instead of just posting, I create content that's designed to sell even when I'm not online. Here's the formula: a hook, call out their pain or desire. For example, broke college student, do this before work. After is value. Show the outcome. For example, I made $125 from this post yesterday. And last is CTA, which stands for call to action. This drives the traffic to the link in your bio. An example would be comment start and I'll send a link right to your DM. Post size will be things like 7-second reels with text on screen, split screen reactions, screen recordings of your setup or results, or a here's how I storytelling format. You don't need to post 10 times a day. Here's a daily flow that actually converts. Post 2 short reels a day, faceless or screen record. Reply to all comments with a short CTA or an emoji. DM people who comment a keyword, for example, start or ready. Track what videos are getting the most clicks and repurpose across TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook Reels. The tools I use are CapCut for editing, WAP for affiliate and content payouts, ChatGPT for scripting, and Snaptic for saving viral videos to recreate. This isn't just about going viral, it's about building a system. Every post is a digital flyer, every view is a potential customer, and every follow is optional, not required. You're not trying to be famous, you're trying to drive people to a product that solves a real problem. And when you do that daily, that's when $20, $100, $300 days start stacking up. Here's what I've done. Promoting a $27 product through Reels, that makes me a few hundred every single day, earned $350 per 1,000 views on WAP Content Rewards, which that alone made me $20,000 in the past 30 days, and I've grown my personal brand to over 70,000 followers on IG, and I've grown my TikTok from 200 followers to almost 10,000 followers in less than 2 weeks. You don't need to start with a huge following, you don't need to sell a course, and you don't even need confidence right now. You just need to start posting content that sells, and a product that solves a problem. If you want my full plug and play system, comment IG below or click the link in the description and I'll send you everything that I use personally to make this work. Subscribe if you want more content like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.